I'm growing greens in a raised bed. This year I've had aphid problems. How do I control aphids on my greens? And this is from Sam in Millington, Mr. D. Raised beds. He's growing greens. Sounds good.
You don't have to bend over so far to spray them.
That's right. That's right.
Again, I checked with the Red Book.
Okay.
And I have a few things circled here. I have turnip greens. I'm not real sure what kind of greens
just a
you
greens.
had. I have turnip greens and mustard greens are the two that I found information on for aphids. And with turnip greens, there's only one thing recommended in the Red Book, and that's malathion. Bonide, I think, is the trade name. And with the mustard greens, it has the same malathion listed, but also bifenthrin and zeta-cypermethrin.
Okay.
And with both the malathion and the pyrethroid, you wait at least 7 days between application. Again, follow the label.
Sure.
You know, I would pick my greens and then spray, I guess, and wash them real good, wash the aphids off of them. I mean, protein's protein.
Oh, man. No, man.
But you know, wait 7 days. You can spray, wait 7 days, pick again, wash them real good.
Oh, God.
You know, get your system going there.
I love green, man.
But I'll tell you something else I would do, though. Could you just get the hose out and just knock them off? You know, if you just want to go that route.
Yeah. Do that.
You could do that. Well, I don't know how quickly they'll come back when you do that.
I don't know either,
but, or you could just cut them and wash them off.
Do that. Yeah. You know, for our organic folks, they might want to consider doing something like that.
Wash them off. Yeah.
But a lot of aphids can do a lot of damage.
Man,
it's a lot of damage.
It's an aphid for every plant, right? Just about.
And they can explode in numbers very quickly.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.